We know that one and only one tangent can be drawn through a point on the circle. Now, can you recall the defining properties of a tangent? The defining properties of a tangent are: firstly, a line is said to be a tangent to a circle if it touches the circle at exactly one point, and this point is called the point of contact. Secondly, at the point of contact, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. In fact, the second defining property of a tangent can be stated as a theorem. Let's state this property as a theorem and prove it mathematically. Can you recall how many tangents can be drawn from a point outside the circle? Exactly 2 tangents to a circle can be drawn through a point lying outside the circle. In this example, PS and PT are the tangents from the external point P to the circle. For tangent PS, Q is the point of contact with the circle, and for tangent PT, R is the point of contact with the circle. The length of the segment of the tangent from the external point P to the point of contact is called the length of the tangent. Here, PQ and PR are the lengths of the tangents from point P to the circle. Are the lengths of the tangents equal? Let's measure the lengths. Observe that both the lengths are equal. Let's prove this result using the concept of congruent triangles. We will also use the same proof to prove some other statements related to tangents from an external point to a circle.